Uber Eats delivery driver sign up tutorial. If you want to basically go ahead and then sign up for Uber Eats delivery driver, you go ahead and then basically launch the Uber driver application. Then once you launch the Uber driver app, so first you can choose a phone number that you want to sign up with, and then you can just tap the continue button. Then it will most likely send a verification code to your email, and once your verification and you completed that, it will ask you to sign up for Uber driver. Now to sign up, you must have a vehicle license and insurance and a couple of documents with you, and that you must also know how to write those. And once you've made sure of that, you fill out a couple of document details by entering your location or where you want to drive. And once you fill in the application, you'd have successfully created your Uber driver account, and you have to wait for the approval from the Uber driver team. This way you can basically sign up for Uber Eats delivery driver. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.